Alright, what up y'all? It's Matt's shop. Alright, so you can see the carpet and the interior on this boat is absolutely disgusting. And I should have covered it better. But I didn't. So now it's pretty much destroyed. But you can see the carpet is just absolutely disgusting. And I cannot stand, I hate carpet in a boat. I absolutely hate it. I don't know who came up with, gluing down carpet in a boat, but yeah, they were not very smart, were they? And I know it makes it so you don't slip and slide, and it looks pretty and all that stuff, but carpet, I'm not a fan of carpet in general, it's just I just don't like carpet. It's cheap crap. And especially in your boat. I mean, who wants to clean the carpet in their boat? You know what I mean? For one, it grows moss and mold and all this kind of stuff, and everything sticks to it, and then like leaves. I know you shouldn't have leaves in your boat, but they decompose, and then it gets disgusting, and then it holds that's the main thing, is it holds that moisture down to the deck. I mean, you don't want that moisture trapped in between the carpet and the plywood. I don't care who you are. You know that's not good, because it's going to promote rotting, and it's going to make it smell really bad. It's going to be hard to get the smells out, and yeah, carpet is no bueno, in my opinion. Let me go over here in the shade so my camera doesn't overheat. But yeah, I never really been a fan of carpet in a boat. I get why it's there, like in a bass boat or something like that, coat the whole thing in carpet so you don't slip and slide, and I get it. I get why it's in the boat, but yeah, I'll never buy another boat with carpet in it. So I know this sounds like I'm just straight hating on, carpeted boats. I'm just straight bashing them, but that's not what I'm trying to do in this video. I just don't like it. So I'm going to show y'all what you do want in the boat and what I prefer. And you would never see carpet or this kind of interior in an ocean boat for a reason. And as far as I'm concerned, I want the best built boat I can get, right? So I'm going to get one that's built, for the ocean. Something that's built like really heavy duty. And I don't want, it's enough rambling, I know. But, you would never see carpet like this in an ocean boat. And somebody can say, oh, I have this blah, blah, blah model, this model, that model, and there's a wasp and he's trying to get me. It's got carpet in it. Yeah, okay. That's fine and dandy, but I'm going to show y'all what y'all want. So hang in there for 2 seconds, and we're going to switch over here to this boat, and we're going to see what it's like on the inside. I don't want y'all to see that registration. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. It's blinding me. Now this is an old boat, and excuse the rust staining, but where is it? I'm gonna get that out of there. I just got it pressure washed, but you can see how much better it is when there's no carpet. And now they got smart. On this boat, they use this stuff right here, and it's, some people might say it's like tacky, it's kind of cheap, but it's like plastic with a texture on it. It's like the base of carpet without carpet on it. And this boat isn't perfect either. It's got some spider cracking and stuff on here, but it's not plastic, you know what I mean? It's not it's not carpet. So yeah, this stuff's way easier to clean. You just pressure wash it down or hose it down, and it all goes to the back. Tilt the boat up and it just all goes to the back and washes out. Or if you got a bilge, you can pump it out the side if you're on the water. But yeah, this is like an ocean boat. It's built more for the ocean, you know what I mean? So it has this texture on the floor, and I hope y'all can see that. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but let's see. There you go. You can see the texture, and that really helps a lot so you don't slip and slide I don't know exactly how they did that, but somebody let me know in the comments what that's called, please. I'm sure somebody will know. But yeah, you would never see an ocean boat like this with just straight carpet in it, because you bring a fish in here and you get blood all over the carpet, it would be destroyed instantly. This, you just bleach it down or whatever and remove all the blood and wash it out. But if you had carpet everywhere, second you bring a fish over and you get blood everywhere, the carpet's ruined forever. So even if it's a different color, it's gonna get disgusting. So you would never do that. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna have to wrap this up because it's like 90 degrees out here and this camera keeps overheating. So yeah, that's why I like just straight fiberglass, gel coated, whatever. Gel coat's gonna make it slippery as heck too, but see if you can find one that's, texturized a little bit. I know they have all different techniques of doing this stuff, but let's see if there's anything else I can think of. Let's see. Oh, when if you find a boat that's got carpet all over it, you're gonna have to get carpet cleaner and clean all the carpet and all that stuff. But with this, all you have to do is pressure wash it down, bleach it down if you want to use bleach, or use something else, and to get it white and to remove all the dirt and nastiness. Then all you have to do is wax it, right? So you put a thick coat of wax on it, and that makes it slick too. But once again, we come back to the texture. It's not that slick, honestly, but you're gonna want that wax on there because, and now this is an old boat. Let's see if I can do it. Nope, I got it too clean. But you'll get this white chalky powder on your hand, where it's the gel coat is degraded by the sun, and you want to make sure it stays waxed. But once all that carpet gets decomposed by the sun, then what you got to do. You got to rip all that what out of there, and it's going to make a giant mess, and you're going to be stuck with glue everywhere, and you're going to have no option but to put more carpet down. So that's my thought on carpet versus, clear coated, or gel coated fiberglass. I got some more boat videos coming because I know y'all like watching boat videos to help get your stuff tuned up for the summer. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if y'all disagree with me, don't go straight for the dislike button, because I put a lot of work into these videos and everybody has their own opinion. Be a man and let me know in the comments what y'all think. Don't go straight for the dislike. But thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below for more outboard videos. Later.